Welcome to our video, where I will show you the 13 benefits of chlorella on your health. Let's get into it, shall we? It's amazing what a little green algae can do to make your life sing. Chlorella can help you stay healthy in not just 1 or 2 different ways, but more than 10. As a doctor who has practiced medicine for over 3 decades, I continue to be amazed at the broad spectrum and rich nutrition this little algal supplement offers us. If you're eager to make some healthy changes in your life, chlorella is an unbeatable deal and an indispensable tool. Here are 13 different ways this nutritional powerhouse can help you stay healthy. Number 1. Help support the body's natural detoxification process. Clinical research indicates that chlorella may help the body's natural detoxification process by helping to eliminate stresses we face every day from the food we eat to the environment we live in. Aiding natural detoxification can lead to improved overall wellness and happiness. After all, who doesn't feel happier with less stresses affecting their body? Number 2. Keeps your immune system healthy. Chlorella has been shown to support your immune system in several ways. Nutrition researcher Dr. Randall Merchant says, "The research I have been conducting at the Medical College of Virginia has convinced me that chlorella is clearly a powerful natural food you can take daily to support and enhance your immune system function. Help the natural functions of your body perform better with the aiding hand of chlorella." Number 3. May support brain health. Your brain needs B12 to stay healthy, and active B12 is the only form of this vitamin your body can effectively use. Taking chlorella as a daily supplement supplies active B12 to your body and supports the nourishment your brain needs. This is especially important for those living a vegan or vegetarian lifestyle, as chlorella is only one of the plant-based sources of active B12. Number 4. May support heart health. Vitamin B12 is also essential for heart health. Vitamin B12 is linked to healthy arteries and blood cell counts. Blood cells are vital to your health as they carry oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. Not only that, but chlorella supports heart health on multiple fronts. It's been linked to maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and healthy blood pressure levels too. If you want help maintaining a healthy diet and support cholesterol levels already in normal range, chlorella might be what you're looking for. Number 5. Supports joint health. In a clinical study involving women suffering from steady morning stiffness and achiness, chlorella helped reduce intensity by 22%. One participant said, "I'm able to take really good walks now, and I'm traveling better. I'm also not nearly as forgetful as I used to be. I'm sleeping somewhat better, and I'm hopeful that I'll continue to improve daily." Chlorella could be the key factor in comforting your joints and easing your mornings. Number 6. Supports your energy. Chlorella helps boost your energy by giving you the nourishment you need to ensure your body can perform at its best. To function properly and completely, your body needs constant maintenance and sustenance. Packed with useful vitamins and minerals, chlorella can assist you in obtaining all your essential nutrients. Give your body a little more of what it needs with chlorella. Number 7. Gives you glowing, healthy-looking skin. Bombarded by environmental stresses, your skin has to constantly replace cells and renew itself. Chlorella's unique growth factor, CGF, supports healthy regeneration at the cellular level. When you combine this with its high level of protective antioxidants, including the skin's favorite, vitamin A, people use it to support healthy-looking skin. And packed with chlorophyll and other great antioxidants, chlorella can bring benefits to your skin that other products leave out. Show your skin some love by taking chlorella as a supplement. Number 8. Supports eye health. With its carotenoids, like beta-carotene and lutein, chlorella may help benefit your overall eye health. According to the American Optometric Association, recent studies recommend 10 milligrams of lutein per day to keep your eyes healthy. For every 3 grams of sun chlorella, you get 3 milligrams of lutein. Look to chlorella because it just might help you look at everything else. Number 9. Supports a healthy pregnancy. Chlorella is not only safe for pregnant women, it's beneficial. In one small study, It increased the level of immunoglobulin A in breast milk, a key immune molecule passed on from mother to child. All mothers want to do what's best for their children. Taking chlorella while pregnant can be a great start. Number 10. Supports the digestive system. Chlorella can help support a healthy digestive system. Taking 10 grams of chlorella a day has been shown in clinical research to help reduce occasional cramps, gas, bloating, and diarrhea. In a small study, when students at Remisake Women's College in Japan took chlorella, they increased the frequency of bowel movements and improved the softness of their stools. Chlorella can aid the processes your body naturally goes through for digestion, helping you to feel healthier and happier throughout your day. Number 11. Promotes a healthy liver. Your liver sequesters essential nutrients like B12, helps you metabolize fats, and plays a key role in your body's natural detoxification process. So it's important to keep this organ healthy, and chlorella can help. Number 12. Cleans teeth and gums. In the 1950s, the green clean of chlorophyll was all the rage. From mouthwash to surgical dressings, chlorophyll's cleaning power was used throughout the healthcare world. In a 9-month study at Boys Town in Nebraska, researchers found brushing with chlorophyll-laced toothpaste yielded remarkable improvements in all-around dental health, gums and teeth. No such clinical research has been done on chlorella specifically. But because chlorella is the world's richest plant source of this powerful pigment, chlorophyll, chewing on some chlorella tablets can most likely do your teeth and gums some good as well. Taking chlorella for any of its other amazing benefits may indirectly help your next dentist visit. Number 13. Supports blood sugar. If you want additional support to maintain already normal blood sugar levels within the healthy range, chlorella can offer some peace of mind. A clinical study showed that chlorella intake of 800 milligrams per day resulted in noticeable reductions in fasting blood glucose levels. Help your normal blood sugar levels stay in their healthy range with the positive effects of chlorella. Get a healthy start with chlorella. Chlorella may be tiny, but it can do more for you than most foods on the planet. By taking it every day, you can enjoy healthy digestion, support for your immune system, glowing skin, and much, much more. It's important to note, chlorella is naturally difficult to digest due to its tough outer cell wall. And so all chlorella supplements must undergo a process in order to make them digestible. Sun chlorella will always provide you the most digestible chlorella on the market. The degree of chlorella digestibility, thus the number of health benefits received, will depend on how the chlorella is processed. Some methods produce a cracked or broken cell wall. The only way to know if your body can truly digest most of the chlorella supplement is if it's a pulverized cell wall chlorella. Sun chlorella promises to pulverize the cell wall of the chlorella it provides you, so you can reap the benefits of this little green algae. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.